Welcome viewers. Donald Trump's real estate company has been convicted of tax fraud in a New York court. A jury found the Trump Organization guilty on all 17 counts on Tuesday after a trial at the state Supreme Court in Manhattan. In this video we will break it all down for you. But before we continue, please take a minute of your precious time to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get the latest update from us. In a case brought by the Manhattan District Attorney, the Trump Organization was accused of being complicit in a scheme to hand out fancy job perks to top executives, including rent-free apartments, luxury cars and private school tuition for relatives, none of which they paid personal income tax on. The company had pleaded not guilty, and Trump Organization lawyer Alan Futerfas told reporters it would appeal. Mr. Trump himself was not charged in the case. The company, which operates hotels, golf courses, and other real estate around the world, faces up to $1.6 million in fines following the guilty verdict. The size of the penalty would not be considered a problem for the organization, but the conviction could damage its ability to do business. A sentencing date has been scheduled for January 13. New York prosecutors spent 3 years investigating the former president and his businesses. The Trump Organization is facing a separate lawsuit brought by New York State Attorney General Letitia James, alleging numerous acts of fraud. The company has filed a counter-suit. Mr. Trump, who recently announced he was running for president again, has dismissed the cases as politically motivated by Democrats. Michael Cohen spoke out after the guilty verdict against the Trump Organization on Tuesday. A jury convicted the company of 17 charges involving tax fraud and other forms of financial wrongdoing. Despite the quick and accurate determination by the jury convicting the Trump Organization on all counts, once again the man behind all the decisions and actions at the company escapes culpability, Cohen told Raw Story in a statement. Trump has been ranting for the past several weeks that his actions over the past 15 years were just fringe benefits that all companies do. It doesn't, however, mean that it is legal. Speaking to MSNBC's Nicolle Wallace after the verdict was announced, Cohen explained that he was shocked that Allen Weisselberg has been less than truthful, despite the potential consequences of a lengthy prison sentence. Weisselberg made was that he would tell the truth, and if he didn't, he would be sent to prison for much longer than just a few months. Testifying before the court, Weisselberg refused to cooperate and did not fully implicate Donald Trump. Weisselberg even went so far as to say that he was the one responsible for the fringe benefits. The jury, however, found that Weisselberg was lying, finding the Trump Org guilty of a company-wide conspiracy. Cohen also mentioned the recently renewed investigation in Alvin Bragg's Manhattan District Attorney's office. He explained that he's spoken with the DA's office more than a dozen times and that it has made Trump very nervous. Without getting into the specifics, I don't think it's right for the case, especially as it looks like there might be a case being brought. I can tell you he should be very uncomfortable. Alvin Bragg to have looking at this new attorney Matthew Colangelo, he really should be quite concerned, Cohen closed. Please, what is your take on this? And remember to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.